What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2022 Nissan Armada. Like I said, it's a 22 Armada in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement cabin air filters if you're in need. So our cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to remove the glove box. And in order to do that, there's 6 T20 Torx bit screws that we need to remove. The first 3 are going to be located underneath the glove box. Here, here, and here. So we need to remove those 3 right there. Then if we open the glove box, there's going to be another 3 here, here, and here. So we need to remove those 3, the 3 underneath that we looked at first, and then that glove box will be ready to come out. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those 6 T20 Torx bit screws, and I'll check back in the next shot. Okay, so I removed those 6 screws that we looked at in the previous shot, and now the glove box is ready to come out. So what I'm going to do is get my hands underneath like this and just pull. And don't pull too hard because we have the glove box light right here. And this will just pull off of here like that. And once you get that off, you can set the glove box to the side. Then I'm going to move this glove box wire up out of the way. Then this item right here is going to be the access door to the cabin filter. And there are these 2 clips on the side that push in like this. Push those both in, and then the glove box door will come out. And we see our actual cabin filter right here. And this will just slide out of here like this. And then when you put your new one in, make sure you're paying attention to the airflow arrow. You want your airflow arrow pointing down towards the ground. So you have your airflow arrow pointing down, and we'll slide the new filter in, and then we'll reverse everything we just did to close it up. So we'll snap our access door back on. Once the access door is snapped on, I'm going to grab my glove box, and we'll reattach the glove box light. And this, you can see there's those 2 tabs on there. This will just snap on there like that. And then to put the glove box in, you can see all these tabs along here, and there's more down the side. You just want to line those up on the top. Once you have everything lined up, give it a couple hits to pop that back into place. And then the last thing you'll need to do is put those 6 screws back in. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.